So hi everyone, as you can see I've got my BYD Shark. It's a black shark. I love the colour. When you buy them from stock, the BYD logo on the front is silver. So what I did is as you can see, I got some replacement covers which just black out the BYD on the front. However, as you can see, there's also this panel here which is silver as well. So it's just a little plastic panel. It's not very strong. It's not your bash plate or anything like that. It's like a roll, well, if it is, it's a relatively thin bash plate. So it's not exactly going to do a lot. There already is a couple of tiny little marks on it. So as you can tell, it's not really a solid thing. If you're taking this anyway and you don't want it to get marked, it's not really going to do a lot. Anyway, that aside, I don't like the look of it. I don't like the look of the silver. So I've gone out and I've bought a brand new plastic cover for it. So the plastic cover just covers the whole thing. It's perfectly made for it. I'm going to show you, this obviously video will just show you what it looks like on before and after. Now, if you don't want to buy one of these covers, what alternatives do you have? Is you could just do a plastic dip in it, just spray paint it with a plastic dip. That would definitely work. It's going to be far, far cheaper. I mean, that's only going to cost you like $20–30 for a can of plastic dip, and just it's going to be probably half a day worth of your time doing a few coats of it. That's another option. But if you want a perfect, quick, easy way of doing it, just obviously buy these covers. So yeah, so this is what I bought. So package came just the other day. I haven't even opened this and fully looked at it yet. So, what does it look like? So this is what they look like. So they come in two pieces. This piece here, I'm guessing that'll be the one in there. Going like that. The other piece here. Just covers it up like that. Straightforward as that. Alright. So that's what it's going to look like. This is the plastic. What is the quality of it like? You can see all it's got is these little bits of 3M tape, which will hold it all in place. This thing hardly weighs anything. It's not thick. All it is just a little cover piece. So what's my thoughts of it when I take it out? When I take it out of the packaging, it is a little bit cheap and flimsy. But hey, it's not bad. I mean, at the end of the day, all it is just a plastic cover just to cover up that silver look. The quality of the paintwork, when you look at it in super close, I don't know whether you can tell on there. You can tell from that. It's not perfect. It's not perfect at all. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Inside, a few marks all over it there. Hey, that's the inside, so it doesn't really matter. It's not bad quality. It's not terrible. So, job is simply just take this little backing stuff off here and stick it on. So we're going to go here. Again, I'll just look at this one. Is this one any better? Quality of this one, it's pretty much the same. So all these is molded pieces of plastic to cover it up. And as you can see, once we've got it on, we'll see if we'll see what of the silver will still remain to be seen. Okay, time to take all the little bit of adhesive strips off so I can stick it on. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a slow and tedious process just getting all the back of that adhesive off. Now it's all off and this thing is ready to stick on. Let's see how easy it is. Okay, so that's the first one on. Let's start with the second. So there we go, have it. I've got all the last bits of that plastic off it, ready to stick this last one on. Stick it on. Okay, so there we have it. It is on. It is on. Let's have a closer look at it. So close up, you can see still a little bit of the silver there. You can still see a tiny bit there, and likewise you can see a tiny bit of it there. Underneath, still see a tiny bit there. Doesn't cover it perfectly. It's all right though. Likewise, that one's not too bad, but you can see a tiny bit there. And of course, underneath those three little areas there, it's not covered up at all. I'm guessing that's because these probably pop out, so they didn't want to cover those up because you need access to those. So that was probably the reason for it. Here. Yeah, there you go. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. When you look at it now, it definitely looks a lot different. It looks a lot better. Okay, so what are my final thoughts on it? I think it gives it a better look. It's not perfect. It's definitely not perfect, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a lot easier than mucking around and taking that thing off and spray painting it yourself or plastic dipping it, which I've done before. And given with a plastic dip, you typically want to give it at least 3 coats of paint, possibly even 4. It takes time. It really takes time because you've got to, obviously, if you're painting it, you've got to paint it, then you've got to wait for it to dry. You've got to give it another coat, wait for it to dry, another coat dry, another coat dry. So it just takes a lot of time. Whereas these things, just stick them on. How much did they cost? I paid just under $200 for these. I think they were like $115 plus like $70 postage. So it was just under $200. That is Aussie dollars. So if you're in the UK, they're probably going to be about £100. If you're in the US, about 120, 130 US dollars. But as I say, Aussie, 200 Aussie dollars. Bit expensive, a little bit expensive for at the end of the day. All they are is some covers, but it does save you a lot of time, I will give it that. So are they value for money? I'm not unhappy with it, not unhappy with it at all. Colour wise, it is a perfect match. So that colour is a perfect colour match for the rest of the car. So I am happy with that. Definitely makes the car, gives it a better blacked out look. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think of it? Is it worthwhile doing this little upgrade to your car? All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, please like the video, subscribe. Well, if you don't like the video, hopefully you'll like my next ones. And if you do, please let me know, give me a like, and please subscribe to the channel.